Hello, Warren County, Kentucky. The grass is finally green, the birds are chirping, and the flowers are blooming. Spring is here, and the spring real estate market has officially arrived in Warren County, Kentucky and Bowling Green. I'm sharing the latest market data in our area and providing you with real estate insights so you can make the best decisions for you and your family. First, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Melissa Albert with eXp Realty and the Living in Kentucky team. Now, let's take a look at what's happening in the Bowling Green and Warren County markets. At the time of this recording, there are 517 active listings, an increase of over 107% over the last month, 198 pending homes, and 126 sold homes in the month, with an average list price of $338,683, and the average sold price was $331,698. That's a days on market average holding strong at 99. With the new homes coming on market every day, we're slowly seeing a spring inventory comeback. Sellers, if you've been holding off on listing your home, what are you waiting for? We have pre-approved buyers looking for homes just like yours right now. And if you would like more information or to discuss if now's the right time for you as a buyer or seller, give my team and I a call. We would be glad to sit down and chat with you, and together, let's make your next move a winning one.